Sarah is a high school student who lives in Dublin, Ireland. She has long, straight, henna-colored hair. Sarah is in her second year of high school, and her favorite subject is science. She loves biology and chemistry and dreams of becoming a doctor one day. Sarah wakes up at 6:30 a.m. every morning. She uses a quiet alarm clock to wake up early. Sarah likes the morning because it is calm and gives her time to get ready for the day. After waking up, she opens the curtains in her bedroom to let the sunlight in. Dublin often has cool mornings, which makes Sarah feel fresh and ready to start her day. The first thing Sarah does is make her bed. She likes to keep her room clean and tidy. Then, she goes to the bathroom to wash her face with cold water. She brushes her hair, which is very important to her. Sarah's straight, henna-colored hair is special, and she takes care of it every day. She brushes it carefully to make sure it looks shiny and neat. After getting ready, Sarah goes to the kitchen to have breakfast. She usually eats toast with butter and jam, and sometimes she eats eggs. She also drinks a cup of tea, which is her favorite morning drink. Her family is often busy in the morning, but they always say good morning to each other before starting their day. Sarah leaves for school at 8 a.m. Her school is close to her house, so she walks there with her friend, Emma. They like walking together because they can talk about their favorite books and TV shows. Sarah loves reading and often shares her thoughts about new books with Emma. At school, Sarah has many classes. Her favorite is science class, especially when they study biology. She enjoys learning about plants, animals, and the human body. Sarah also likes chemistry because she enjoys doing experiments. Her teachers are kind and helpful, and Sarah works hard in every subject. She listens carefully and always takes notes in her notebook. During lunch, Sarah eats with her friends in the school cafeteria. She usually brings a sandwich, fruit, and a bottle of water from home. Sometimes, they talk about their homework or their weekend plans. Sarah's friends also study different subjects, so they often help each other with their studies. After school finishes at 3:30 p.m., Sarah usually stays at the library for an hour. She likes to study there because it is quiet, and she can focus. Sarah spends time reading her science books and reviewing her homework. She wants to do well in her exams and become a doctor in the future, so studying is very important to her. When Sarah finishes studying, she walks back home. Sometimes, she stops by the park near her house to enjoy the fresh air and watch people walking their dogs. She loves animals, and seeing dogs playing makes her happy. After a short walk in the park, she goes home. In the evening, Sarah helps her mother with cooking dinner. She likes to learn new recipes, especially healthy ones. After dinner, Sarah spends some time with her family. They usually watch TV together or talk about their day. Later, Sarah goes to her room to finish her homework. She likes to write down all the things she learned during the day and make sure she understands everything. After finishing her homework, she reads a book before going to bed. Reading helps her relax and get ready for sleep. At 10 p.m., Sarah gets ready for bed. She brushes her hair again and makes sure it is smooth. Then, she sets her alarm clock for the next day and goes to sleep, ready for another busy and exciting day at school.